Patriot Data Solutions Group. The information sharing problem is vast. Many forms of technologies, many forms of formats of existing data, many partners in our enterprise at the city, county, state, and federal levels of government, and some very different lines of business and circles of trust between law enforcement, prosecution, courts, corrections, and intelligence agencies. First, note the difference between design time, where we gather the requirements for the desired exchange, and the runtime, those products that configure and run the new services. In design time, the CDX Exchange Builder is the fundamental tool addressing the disparity of data and technologies in your current enterprise. In the runtime, we show the specific layers of an enterprise solution. The data layer, where existing data in many various technologies can be normalized for sharing using NEAM. Above that, the enterprise services layer, where configuration, business rules, and complex services can be orchestrated. Lastly, at the top, the application layer is where the CDX portal allows users to interact securely with the enterprise information services, running queries, collaboration, communications, or the development of new web services and applications. Let's look at the products in the CDX Enterprise Suite one by one. For design time, CDX Exchange Builder gives you easy-to-use tools for creating new exchanges, services, and IEPDs. For runtime implementation, the CDX Mapper allows you to visually connect the dots between source data and IEPD schemas. The CDX line of enterprise adapters allows you to execute scheduled exchanges, as well as create event-based business workflows. For full enterprise execution of services, the CDX Enterprise Edition package allows you to configure system-wide federated searches for data, control user-based subscriptions, and individualized notification services, and facilitate collaboration and communication among users across the enterprise. The CDX portal offers federated security among your enterprise users, providing new or integrating existing directory servers. The GFIPM standard allows authorization enforcement down to the individual data element level. The central core that pulls all the CDX products together for end-to-end implementation and management is the registry and repository-based framework tools. The registry offers a collection of standards-based artifacts for composing new exchanges. All newly created exchange projects are stored in a repository for implementation and lifecycle management. Stepping through the tools from the business rules, to the data rules, to the service definitions, and the security and privacy policies. Each exchange project is wrapped up as an IEPD for implementation in the CDX runtime. On the runtime side, projects that were earlier created in CDX Exchange Builder are now pulled from the repository and configured on the CDX adapters at local agencies in the enterprise. The CDX Mapper within each adapter allows the agency to create mappings to transform and connect data from any existing data source in their legacy systems. In turn, with all data sources mapped and interacting with the CDX Enterprise Service Platform, services are enabled to facilitate exchange workflows, subscriptions and notifications, federated data searches, and all under the enterprise security enforcement of GFIPM.